Hello, my friend. Welcome to the Polyvia Slow English Podcast. I'm really happy that you're here today. If this is your first time listening, thank you for joining me. This podcast is designed to help you improve your English through slow, clear, and natural listening. So, find a comfortable place to sit, or maybe you're walking outside. Perhaps you're on a bus or a train. Wherever you are, I hope you can relax for a few minutes and simply enjoy listening to English. Today's topic is something that almost every English learner thinks about. How can you learn English every day, even if you're busy? Maybe you have a full-time job. Maybe you're a student. Maybe you're taking care of your family. Or maybe, after a long day, you simply don't have much energy left. If that sounds like you, don't worry. You're definitely not alone. Many people believe they need several hours every day to improve their English. They imagine sitting at a desk, reading grammar books, memorizing hundreds of words, and doing exercises for hours. Honestly, that sounds exhausting. And for most people, it's not realistic. The good news is that learning English doesn't have to be difficult. It doesn't have to take all of your free time. In fact, one of the biggest secrets to learning English is not studying more. It's studying more consistently. Consistency is much more powerful than intensity. Let me explain. Imagine two people. The first person studies English for 5 hours on Sunday. Then they don't study again until the next weekend. The second person studies for only 20 minutes every day. Which person do you think will improve faster? For many learners, it's the second person. Why? Because our brains learn better through repetition. When we see, hear, and use English every day, our memory becomes stronger. English slowly becomes a natural part of our daily life. Think about brushing your teeth. You probably don't brush your teeth for 3 hours every Saturday. Instead, you brush them for a few minutes every day. Learning English works in a very similar way. Small daily habits are much more effective than one very long study session. So, if you only have 15 or 20 minutes today, that's perfectly okay. Don't tell yourself it's not enough. Instead, tell yourself, I'm building a good habit. Every small step matters. Every minute counts. And over time, those minutes become hours. Those hours become months. And those months become real progress. Now, let's talk about the first habit I recommend. Listen to English every single day. This is probably the easiest habit to start. You don't need a classroom. You don't need a notebook. You don't even need to stop what you're doing. You can listen while you're making breakfast. You can listen while you're cleaning your room. You can listen while you're driving to work. You can even listen while you're taking a short walk. At first, you may not understand everything you hear. That's completely normal. Please don't feel frustrated. Nobody understands everything on the first day. Even advanced learners hear new words from time to time. Instead of trying to understand every single word, focus on understanding the main idea. Ask yourself simple questions. What is the speaker talking about? Are they happy? Are they giving advice? Are they telling a story? Little by little, your listening will become stronger. Without even noticing, you'll begin recognizing more words, more expressions, and more natural pronunciation. One day, you'll suddenly realize something. You'll be listening to English, and you'll understand much more than you did a few months ago. That's one of the best feelings in the world. And remember, progress doesn't always happen quickly. Sometimes it happens quietly. You may not notice it every day, but if you keep listening, keep practicing, and keep showing up, your English will continue to grow. Just like a plant needs water every day, your English needs a little attention every day. It doesn't need perfection. It simply needs consistency. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. I hope you learned something new and enjoyed practicing your English with me. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. Just keep learning, one step at a time. Even a few minutes of English every day can make a big difference. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to follow Polyvia so you won't miss the next one. Until next time, take care of yourself, keep practicing, keep believing in your progress, and most importantly, enjoy the journey of learning English. Thank you for listening. I'll see you in the next episode of the Polyvia Slow English podcast. Goodbye, and have a wonderful day.